Hello YouTube. As you can see, I'm in a hospital parking lot. I've been in the hospital for the past 3 days. I'm glad to be out of here. Gotta go home and got some errands to do, so let's do this. Okay, the springs were sold, so I just gotta reseal this package and get a printout of the address sheet and go to the post office. So here I go. Hello YouTube. Now I know I've been late with my packages and I had an issue this weekend health-wise. I ended up in the hospital for 3 days. But everything turned out for the better. I'm back, and we're back to unboxing. Now, if you remember my last one, I just got into a fender bender with a person, and ended up cracking the front end of the car. Nothing major damage-wise, but I got to replace the front bumper cover. So, last week, I ordered the paint. There it is, Arizona beige. And I was going to order the front bumper, which is coming right now. But I decided to do an upgrade to the front bumper since I'm replacing it anyway. And this came in, I think this one came in Tuesday. I was in the hospital. But since I'm here now, let's do it. Let's open it up. I got driving lights. This one is from UDM. Like my car came with driving lights, optional. But whoever bought the car before I didn't have the driving lights on them. So I decided to add driving lights in the stock locations. I'm going to open this up right now and see what they have in here. And here they are. I went with the LEDs. You can see the size compared to my hand. It's going to be one on each side. The factory driving lights are rounds. These are going to be, like I said, these are rectangles. They should bolt right in. I'm going to have to drill like 2 holes in the bumper, and might have to notch it a little bit so it'll slide in, as you can see right here. Okay, just basically two wire setup, and I can wire this right to the factory switches, because on my car they just put a switch delete. So all I gotta do is just drill a hole, put a toggle switch where the switch delete is, and use the factory wiring harness where the driving lights used to be, and just wire it straight, positive, negative to the battery. Or I might just have it hooked straight to the switch itself on the car, so when I turn it on and I hit the high beams, these come on too. And these are white LEDs. They're not for street use, because they're supposed to be pretty bright, but I'm going to use them anyway. Every once in a while if it gets too dark. And that's it. The bumper is coming next week. I'm going to prep it, paint it, but before I paint it, I'm going to drill out everything so I can bolt this in. Then I'll paint it, mount the driving lights in the wiring, then put the whole bumper on. More videos to come. Till then, I see you.